Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's episode is packed. We have got a first time meetup in Bali that showed how Caffeine AI is bringing people together, a snapshot of ICP's developer community topping the charts, the launch of the Claude marketplace, the comeback of Odin Fun, and some fresh updates from ICP Ninja that will definitely interest builders. Before we get started, a quick note. If you would like to support the channel, our wallet address is in the description. And don't forget, all our project links are down there too. So first up, Caffeine AI just pulled off its first meetup in Bali on the 23rd of August. Around 140 people turned up, which is quite a crowd for a debut. The event had backing from Internet Computer, ICP Hub Indonesia, Disruptives, and Iana Pugashawa, making it a real community effort. The day had a mix of things going on: live demos, hands on experience pods, and a hackathon that turned out to be the highlight. What stood out was the accessibility. People who had no coding background were still able to jump in, test the tools, and actually build projects. That's what Caffeine AI keeps pushing, breaking down barriers so that creating isn't just reserved for the technical crowd. The hackathon brought some clever ideas. Think gamified chemistry learning, where you discover elements through interactive play. It's the kind of thing that could make education a lot more engaging. Feedback was encouraged all through the event. Organizers made it clear they want to keep improving caffeine based on what people experience in real time. Networking also played a big part. The mix of AI enthusiasts, developers, and community members meant people were swapping ideas across different backgrounds. Even though this was the first edition, there is already talk of more to come. The projects created are heading to the Caffeine Wall of Fame, which is their way of spotlighting what's possible on the platform. Overall, Bali wasn't just about showing tech. It was about showing that communities in Southeast Asia are ready to experiment and contribute to Web3 in a more open way. Next, let's look at Internet Computer's big win on the development side. ICP just ranked number one in overall developer activity for the past 30 days, edging past heavyweights like Chainlink and Starknet. Now, these rankings are based on contributions to open source repositories, so it's not about hype or price movements. It's about what developers are actually putting in the work. ICP's lead comes from a steady stream of updates and experiments, including tools like ICP Ninja and integrations with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Chainlink, which many know as the go-to for decentralized oracles, came in second. Starknet followed in third, which makes sense given its momentum as an Ethereum layer 2. Sol also climbed with its deep book decentralized exchange. And interestingly, Cardano slipped to sixth, which shows that developer focus is spreading more widely these days. These lists don't tell the full story of adoption, but they are a solid signal of where the energy is. Developer activity often lays the groundwork for what users will see in the months to come. For ICP, holding that top spot will depend on whether experiments like Bitcoin integration and multi-chain features turn into applications that people actually use. Let's move to the Claude marketplace, which officially launched this month. It's fully on chain, designed to handle digital assets, apps, and games without relying on centralized hosting. That's a big promise. Everything like storage, transactions, ownership records, it's written directly onto the Internet Computer blockchain. That means content is tamper proof and always accessible. One standout feature is support for very large files, even beyond 5 GB, which shows they are thinking beyond just lightweight NFT images. For creators, it's more than trading NFTs. They can publish and manage full Web3 projects, while users can browse apps, rate them, and manage wallets and transactions from a personal dashboard. Payments are processed on-chain using ICP and other tokens, with refunds built in for extra trust. Claude is also leaning into governance. Its token holders can vote on how the platform evolves instead of decisions being made behind closed doors. That community ownership aspect is important. But of course, the test will be adoption. Can Claude scale? Can it compete with larger marketplaces? And will it stay easy enough for everyday users? Right now, it's an ambitious entry that wants to act as a Web3 app store. Whether it succeeds will depend on whether developers and users see value in building and staying active there. Switching gears, Odin Fun is back. The trading platform relaunched, and within just 30 minutes, it recorded 100 Bitcoin in trading volume. That's a strong sign that there is still interest in fast Bitcoin token trading. The platform markets itself around speed, but high demand brings challenges. Bob Bodley acknowledged that the team has been scaling systems and that while things are in a better place, improvements are still ongoing. The test for Odin Fund will be whether it can handle sustained growth without breaking down under pressure. The early numbers are encouraging, but reliability is what will decide whether traders stick around. Finally, some fresh updates from ICP Ninja. The platform, which curates examples for developers, has rolled out a redesigned landing page along with a bunch of new tools. Among the most interesting additions are encrypted nodes powered by wet keys for secure on-chain storage and a Bitcoin wallet canister that lets users hold actual Bitcoin on ICP. There is also a photo gallery example plus dark mode for those who prefer customization. On the more technical side, ICP Ninja added inter-canister call examples, a Solana chain fusion feature, and an NFT creator tool that walks users through launching a collection. And to top it off, they highlighted 6 hackathon projects and integrated with OIC Wallet for smoother connections. The mix of practical tools and creative experiments shows that ICP Ninja is becoming more than just a reference site. It's a proper starting point for both new developers and experienced builders. The updates are fast, they are community driven, and they show the internet computer ecosystem is keeping pace with developer needs. So that's today's roundup. Caffeine AI building community in Bali, ICP leading on developer activity, the launch of Claude Marketplace, Odin Fun's comeback, and the new wave of features from ICP Ninja. If you found this useful and want to help us keep covering these stories, please consider donating. The wallet address is in the description, and every bit of support really makes a difference. You will also find links to all the projects we mentioned today down there. So check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.